Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy women stylish footwear collection. Women comfortable shoes designs, beautiful sleepers, sandal designs, chappal designs you can see in this my video. Every types of comfortable shoes you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women comfortable shoes design, stylish shoes design. New and attractive designs and ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Those ladies who love such type of shoes designs, comfortable shoes design. Best designer ideas. If you want to buy this very beautiful shoes design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy this very beautiful shoes design online these websites easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most attractive, most trendy designs. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and attractive women stylish footwear collection, women stylish shoes design. Easy to wear, easy to move, beautiful and attractive shoes design. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.